Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art, an art of Jamaican cooking, American power tooling, and much more. Today, I'll be using my electric saw to cut out triangle pieces on this old wooden slab. Now, I already have the triangle pieces drawn out, so all I have to do now is set it up so I can saw them out safely. To do so, I'll be wearing my mask, my dust mask, my safety goggles, my safety gloves, and even though I already have the saw blade and the saw, I don't plug it in until I'm ready to use it. Now that I'm ready, let me get started. Okay, so here's my first piece. Going on to the second one. Now, I took shop in junior high and in high school. But didn't get into power tools until I signed up for a three-dimensional class in college, not knowing that it was of power tools. But being my daddy, he used power tools of many types. That's what got me into it. Whoops. There we go. He taught me how to use power tools like hand saws, electric saws, radial saws, electric drills, so many. What else did he show me? Standing sanders, hand sanders. I think those heat guns, many tools. Okay, so I'm going to twist this around so I can cut out my last piece. Of course, if I had a bigger actual stand, it wouldn't have to be, table-wise, I'm sorry. Wouldn't have to be switching. But this is what I'm using for today. Okay, my daddy, he built different things like dog houses, trailer carts, things like that. And I didn't think to ask him, but I presume he learned from his daddy. As my granddaddy, he built many things, including a shed. When my dad was a kid, he built a shed by the bus stop for him to wait. Okay, so let me do my last one. Sorry if it's a little hard to understand me. I have the mask on. And one thing my daddy taught me, even before he taught me how to use power tools, when using tools of any kind, you go away from yourself. You go away from yourself to help prevent injury. Okay, so now that they're solid, safety first, unplug. And see what they like together. So now I'm ready to construct my wooden triangles into one piece by sanding, drilling, and nailing them together. But I'll save that for another time. Although, if there's a way you think that these pieces should be constructed, let me know in the comment box, and I might give it a try. For these pieces are simple pieces, but of course, simple is how you start out. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you very much. I hope you return to my YouTube channel, as by God's grace, I'll return with more power tool projects and other aspects of hybrid Jamaican-American art. Till next time!